starting a new adventure into a different future where we live in harmony with our environment, dreaming of regenerating the forests in a landscape which needs our support. Feeling deeply within the victory, crossing over to new opportunities to live together in nature, co-creating a new life with the locals, transforming deserted landscapes and practices into future opportunities to regenerate our planet. Seeing and feeling the emerging future. Of living in harmony with everything which surrounds us. And crystallizing a future we want to see. This is what the environment invites us to do, and to dream and to feel and to see growing around us. Come with us to manifest this unbelievable dream.